All right.
So, how many of you like magic? Yeah. Well, no, it's okay. But you'll be able to impress your friends now. So, I do too, and so we're going to learn a very, very simple card trick. So we start out with a deck of cards. How many cards are in a deck?
52.
52. So if I split it in half, how many cards are in each pile?
26.
26. So
If you counted them.
could you split that and make sure there's 26 on each?
You care if I get them out of order?
No, just don't flip them over.
So you want to split it?
Make sure there's 26 in there. That's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
There's got to be 26 in there. If she has 26. Unless we're missing a card.
True.
Where's the extra joker?
Good job.
26? Perfect. Alright. And then could each of you shuffle your decks, keeping the cards face down?
This is a big task. Big cards. Oh gosh.
Perfect.
Oops, don't look.
And then I need one volunteer. Mel, could you pick a card from each pile and memorize it? You can show it to Kelsey, you can show it to Cody, you can show it to the camera. And then I want you to put it in the opposite pile after you've memorized it. I didn't see it, I promise.
You might want to look at it too. I did.
So put it in the opposite pile. And then could you ladies shuffle them again?
Yes.
Face down. And this does work a lot better with smaller cards, but since there's a lot of us, I chose to use the jumbo cards as an example just so everybody can see. So then I'm going to set this deck up of this half, and this is your card. And this is your card. Yes?
Whoa.
Thank you.
That was awesome.
All right. So if you want to go ahead and flip over the papers in front of each of your groups, so you two can come next to each other.
What would you even said no, though?
Yeah. You will. I figured you two would because we're super close. And go ahead and open your pack of cards. I've already set up your cards how they need to be. So how you work this trick is you go ahead and you split it up into two piles, reds and blacks. And so I asked Pamela and Hannah not to show you the face of the cards because that's how your trick works. And I've already split these cards up so you know which is which. And so you make sure that you split them in half and they're face down at all times. That way the person who you're doing the card trick with doesn't see that you're actually, I don't know, cheating. So you're going to follow these instructions on your sheet of paper and you're going to do the card trick with each other. And they're pretty straightforward. You have your partner pick two cards, they memorize them, and they put them in the opposite deck. And that's how you know that that's their card, is because obviously if they put a red card in with all these black ones, it doesn't belong there. Or a black card in with all these red ones. Yeah, it doesn't belong there. And then you shuffle through the cards with the backs facing your partner, because then they don't know. They all look the same on the back side. True. And then you pull them out, and you say, this is your card. And your exit skill for today to get out of this classroom is to perform this card trick correctly. And you can have 1 point, 2 points, or 0. 1 point is if you guess only one of their cards correctly. 2 points is if you guess both of their cards correctly. 0 points is if you do not guess any of them correctly. So you can have a couple tries being able to look at the paper and perform the card trick with the paper, and then when you're ready, raise your hand, flip the paper over, and I'll watch both of you. Does everybody understand? Mm-hmm. Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
This deck. Okay.
Yeah. Pick a card and flip this. How you shuffle?
Yeah, we can do this. Yep.
That's it.
Shuffle this.
Okay. British baby.
Take 2 cards. One from each deck. Oh, wait.
Okay. Are you supposed to do opposite?
Memorize them.
You just put this one on the thing. We're trying. I don't remember which one I pulled. Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it works.
Whatever you guys
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Wow.
This part of it.
Yeah.
Oh, we should have shuffled again. That's horrible. Hannah tried making me fail.
keys.
That's hard. One on the bottom. So I put them together. Nice. Good job, Anna. Still got it.
I don't have shuffle, like at all.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Is that your card?
Yeah. You're so good.
That's good. I'm gonna put them together.
Okay, let's try. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm gonna.
Do you want me to shuffle?
No, we'll leave them just like this. Okay. Alright, Ty. So I have two different decks of cards. Okay, well not different.
Same.
A deck of cards split in half. Two different piles. You draw a card, one card from each pile, and memorize them.
Oh boy.
We're gonna make a big. I got it.
Card. Remember where you got them from. That's important. Okay, and then memorize your cards. And memorize. Put them back in either pile. Okay. Alright, do you want to assist me here? I'm going to shuffle this pile, or you shuffle that pile. Make sure the card is locked.
That card.
Mind blown.
I'm gonna show my friend.
Your card.
Okay.
Genius.
Alright.
Good job,
Give me a
guys.
little
Like
top
it's
hat.
shuffled.
My suggestion for you guys is to
Good
make
enough?
sure that you
Alright,
have
alright,
your
so I'm gonna
partner
put these
shuffle
decks
each
together.
pile.
And
Because
then-
if you saw when you were doing yours, if you
Alright.
if you were to stack this pile on top of this pile,
Is
your black card
that your
would go
card?
right with it.
And
So that's why you shuffle. Does that make sense?
There we go, there it
Other
is.
than that, fantastic
And
job, both
that
of you.
card.
Whoa.
I'm so good.
Are you both of you groups ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna watch both of you at the same time. Ready?
Cool.
This is magic in
You
its
want to
own.
shuffle both of these for me?
You want to watch a third one?
One day.
Oh yeah?
Have the other day.
Okay.
So.
So you do it at the same time.
Oh, wow.
They're impressive.
That's legit right
More
there.
awesome.
Oh.
And then.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Now would you
This
pick a
your
card out of each deck?
That is my card. Is that your card?
And then
Boom.
You guys are impressive.
Do you want to come watch us, Missy Show?
Yes. I'm
and
watching
then you
them.
shuffle
You're
next
going
week.
All right. We'll let Ty.
We got it.
So I have a plain deck of cards here, and if you would be so willing, if you can shuffle that side for me.
Not gonna show a lot of people this trick.
This trick is great.
That'll actually fall for it.
Yeah. My boyfriend will not fall for it. He
Now
knows
be
I
like, those are
can't
two
do
different
that.
ones.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright, now if you could take one from each card and memorize which card
You
it
did
is
trick me.
and which deck you took it from.
You almost tricked me. Is that your card? Yes.
All right.
And now could you place them in the opposite decks?
There we go.
Thank you.
Is
You're welcome.
that your card? Yes. Look, they were placed right there. That one's there.
I don't know how
here.
Okay, I'm
Big
gonna
cheater.
look through my deck here, and if I can find your card, I will have done a good job here.
Could you shuffle both of those for me together? No.
Is that your card?
Yeah.
No, can you pick a card from each?
And is that your card?
Oh, same as last.
Awesome.
Good job.
Whoa. Alright, we're going to the same as last time.
Weird.
Can you shuffle
Did
that
you do that on purpose?
All right, Ty. I have split up
Yes, I
deck
did.
of
It's my
cards here.
magic
Could you pick
trick.
a card, one from each pile? Memorize the card and what pile it came from. All right, are you good? Okay, place them in the opposite pile you got them from. All right, can you shuffle this side for me? I'm gonna shuffle this one.
Is this your card? Nope. Whoops. Is this your other
All
card?
right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm having issues here. All right, I'm going to combine these two decks now. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna see if I can magically find your card here. Okay. Is this your card?
It is.
Okay, and then, oh, there it is. Is that your card?
It is.
Oh, yay!
Good job, everybody. Everybody can successfully complete this card trick. If you want to add a little bit more of a difficulty to it so that your friends really think your cards aren't organized in reds and black, you can take out 5 cards, 2 of one color and 3 of another, mix them together so they're random, know what they are. So I have black, red, 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 black, and so you say, I can tell you what color these are. Black, red, 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 and black. And they're like, oh, they're mixed up. But then you still know how many cards you still have in your deck and how many of each color. So you can still do it. So if you want to add a little bit of flair to your magic trick. And that's everything. Thank you.
Thanks, Michelle.